So we're going to continue the process of assembling the rest of the drive motor and covers. This rebuild would be considered a level 3. A level 4 would be complete disassembly down to the paint, which would be necessary to do bearings, a shaft alignment for the lower main shaft, and then a complete reassembly. Okay, now we're going to assemble, well, the shell on this program panel and the program panel itself has already been assembled. Okay, this is the part where we get ready to power up the machine for the first time. The drive motor's already been tested, bench tested for no load performance, and it did well. So now we're going to temporarily connect our main circuit board so that we can make some final tests and adjustments before test sewing. This machine was sent to us from a customer in northern Pennsylvania. We get a lot of customers from the West Coast, especially. It seems that there's a lot more Pfaff owners out there than there are on the East Coast. It's best to call, if you're going to send in a machine for repair, it's best to call us first so we can give you some tips on how to pack it or what to do as far as getting the machine to us. Once the machine arrives, we evaluate the machine as to the condition, what it will take to bring it back to reliable condition, and what it'll cost. So contact us through our website, brubakerssewing.com. You can go on the site and look at some of the other rebuilds that we've done over the years, and have a look and see if there's anything that you see that you might like.